Hello, welcome back, my dear students. Hope you're all doing great. Let us continue with our lesson in patterns and sequences, this time with lesson 3 on arithmetic sequences. That is all about the common difference. This is still part of our module 1 of the first quarter in Mathematics 10. Before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel to keep updated with upcoming video lessons in mathematics. And remember, you can always pause and play this video anytime whenever is necessary. You can even play back the portion of the video you want to revisit to attain mastery. That's it. I think we are all ready for the lesson. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to find the value of the common difference in a given arithmetic sequence and can identify arithmetic sequences. First, let's look back on what you have learned on our previous lesson. Let us try to determine which of the following is an arithmetic sequence. If they are, identify the common sequence. So, let's start. This sequence, is this an arithmetic sequence or not? Yes, it is an arithmetic sequence. And what is the common difference? Correct. It is 4. We added the same value 4 on every next term in this sequence. Nice one. How about this one? No, it is not an arithmetic sequence, and there is no common difference. So what rule did it apply then in that sequence? Correct. We multiplied the value by 2 on the next term. Great. This one, is this an arithmetic sequence? Yes, you're right, because you are subtracting the same number as you move to the next term in the sequence, and that number is -6. Alright. How about this one? Is this an arithmetic sequence? Yes, you are right again, because it decreases 3 values every next term in the sequence. You are doing well with this. For this last sequence, what can you say about it? No, it is not an arithmetic sequence, and there is no common difference as we move to the next term, because we multiply the term by 3. Good job, everybody! To understand more about arithmetic sequences, we can define arithmetic sequence as a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding a constant called a common difference. It means we need to add or subtract the same value in every 2 consecutive terms in a sequence. So to check and identify whether the sequence is an arithmetic sequence, we just need to subtract any term from the term that directly follows it. Look at this example. You can see that every time we subtract 2 consecutive terms and we get the same result or value. That sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Like the first sequence, when we subtract 6 with 2, 10 with 6, and 14 with 10, we get the same result, and that is 4. Check the other 2 sequences. The same process, subtract 2 consecutive terms, and you get the same result. So it is quite easy to identify if a sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Just subtract 2 consecutive terms and check if you get the same result. Now that you have the idea how an arithmetic sequence differs from other sequences, I would like you to pause this video and answer this activity. You just need to find the common difference for each arithmetic sequence. You can start now. Great! Now that you are done, let us check your answer. how well you understand what arithmetic sequence is. Did you get all the correct answer? Good job then. Remember, the common difference represented by D can be found by subtracting any term from the term that directly follows it. And in order to find the common difference, we need to follow a certain formula, a very simple formula to find the common difference. That is, D is equal to A sub n minus A sub n minus 1, where D is the common difference, the A sub n is the value of the number preceding it, and A sub n minus 1 is the value of the number before it. Let's take this example we have in our activity. Let's take it step by step how we arrive with the answer. Let's start with the formula. What is it again? D is equal to A sub n minus A sub n minus 1. Let's identify those variables. D is still unknown. A sub n is the second term in the sequence. And A sub n minus 1 is the term before, number 7. If we subtract them, we get 6 as our answer. Now let's repeat this step to the other terms. If we still get the same value, if so, our common difference is 6 for this sequence. Get it? Let's take the next one. Again, let's start with the formula. D is equal to A sub n minus A sub n minus 1. Substitute A sub n and A sub n minus 1 with negative 14 and negative 17 respectively. The answer will be 3. How did we arrive with that number? Remember the rule in subtraction of integers? We need to change the operation sign to addition sign and write the opposite sign of the second number, so it will become negative 14 plus positive 17. Now, since negative 14 and 17 are unlike signs, we still need to subtract both numbers and use the sign of the bigger value. That is why 3 is positive. Get it? Then do the same with the next two terms. Negative 11 is A sub n, and negative 14 now is the A sub n minus 1. Then do the same process, and our answer is still 3. So this is how we get the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. Now let's take the third example. Again, let us start with the formula. D is equal to A sub n minus A sub n minus 1. And then let's substitute A sub n and A sub n minus 1 to negative 3 and 0 respectively. What do you think is the answer? Correct, it's negative 3. Now let's do the same with the next terms. Negative 6 minus negative 3. What do you think is the answer? Again, it's still negative 3. And negative 9 minus negative 6 is again, the result is negative 3. So our common difference for this arithmetic sequence is negative 3. Let us take the last example. Let's start first with the formula. D is equal to A sub n minus A sub n minus 1. Then let's substitute A sub n and A sub n minus 1 to 1/3 and 1/4 respectively. Now, how do we subtract 1/3 to 1/4? Can we subtract them right away? No, because they are dissimilar fractions. So what do we do first? Yes, we need to find their LCD, or the least common denominator, and that is 12. And then we are going to find their numerators. 12 divided by 3 times 1, that is equivalent to 4. And then 12 divided by 4 times 1, that is equivalent to 3. This time, we can now subtract both fractions 4/12 with 3/12. And the answer is 1/12. Get it? Then do the same process to the other terms. And for sure, we will get the same value as their answer. Wow! Good job, everybody! Now that you know already how to identify arithmetic sequences and to find their common difference using the formula D is equal to A sub n minus A sub n minus 1, it is easy peasy for you to answer the next activity. Now pause this video again and I want you to answer the activity found in your module. Just play this again when done, or you can play back the video if you encounter some problem. How did you find the activity? Easy, right? Now, I want you to remember that the common difference is a constant value that can be obtained by subtracting every term after the first term of the given arithmetic sequence. And the formula to do this is D equals to A sub n minus A sub n minus 1, where D is the common difference, A sub n is the value of the number preceding it, and A sub n minus 1 is the value of the number before it. That's it! Congratulations! You are now done with this lesson. See you again for our next topic. Bye! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more video lessons in mathematics.